If the cycle has completed and water is still left in the machine, select Drain and Spin to remove any water remaining in the washer. If a single or bulky item was being washed, the load may have become off-balanced. When this takes place, the washer may try to redistribute the weight and attempt to spin again. If the weight cannot be redistributed, the washer may only run at a reduced level. The item may not spin completely dry, and the basket may still have water in it. The next check should be the drain. Make sure the drain hose is not clogged, kinked, or frozen if the hose runs to the outside. If the standpipe is more than 8 feet tall, the washer pump will not be able to pump out all of the water. Was an extension cord being used? If an extension cord is used, there will be less voltage supplied to the washer. This will cause the washer motor and pump motor to run hot and shut down prematurely. Discontinue using the extension cord. There may be an item or debris in the pump or filter preventing completion of pump out. On many models, there may be an access for cleaning out the pump and/or the filter. Instructions are included in the owner's manual. Be aware, however, if there is water left in the tub, water will be spilling on the floor when the pump and/or filter is accessed. Be sure to follow instructions and take proper precautions. Are suds visible in the basket? If there are extra suds, was the suds routine activated? Pump suds lock caused by over-sudsing from improper detergent use can prevent complete pump out. If suds are visible, run a delicate cycle using cold water and no additional detergent to help remove the suds. Once the suds are removed, the washer should operate properly. If this does not solve the problem, a service call may need to be scheduled.